First of all, they came in a package just like you see here. They're packed actually quite nicely. These are all waterproof for outdoor use. The IP65 waterproofing, which is fantastic. So there's a set of 4 in this kit here, and you see it comes with a very large solar panel to charge them. Really simple to use and simple to install. It comes with a ton of wire, so you can put them around the landscaping in a certain area. Huge run right here. This here is a nice long wire. This is 16.4 feet just for the main run, so you can move these away from the lights and put this the solar panel somewhere far away, so to be on top of them. And basically every 2 lights here, you have 9 feet, and this is 9 feet, and this is 9 feet. So you have plenty of space to move these all around different parts of your yard. So it's got all the buttons in the back here. What's really different about this? Also USB-C charging. So say you don't have a lot of light and you want to just go out there and give it a quick charge with the portable battery, you plug it in and it charges it up as well. So you have 2 options. You have USB-C charging if you want to, or solar, but I think most of the time solar will be fine. Let's see how they go right on. So I'll use a light to show you. So that's the on-off mode right here, okay? And then we have 3 modes, and you can see they're pretty bright. I have to tell you, they're pretty bright, 3 modes. So here's the first mode here, there's the blinking mode, okay? There's a flashing mode. Okay, and then we have it's almost like a double flash mode. Here's 3, so you can really see how it just really lights up nicely. It just gives you a ton of light and really powerful. So I love the way it works like that. So you can really give some highlights. So you can just back it up and you can really light up the whole wall. And definitely love this nice quality product. Definitely highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.